In this video, I'm going to teach you how to book a flight on Emirates. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can book your flights through Emirates online on the website at www.emirates.com or through the mobile app. Regardless of which option you choose, what you have to do is, on the home screen, use the Search Flights function that they have available. Click Flights and you will be able to include your departure airport and your arrival airport, so the origin and the destination. You will then be able to browse through the dates. You can choose a one-way flight if you don't plan on returning, and you can also tick this box, My dates are flexible. This way you will have many more results and possibly find better deals on your flight. So include the dates as necessary and include the amount of passengers. Make sure that this is all valid and legitimate, as you are going to have to confirm this with valid documents later, and include the class of flights that you want to fly. Once you are done with all the criteria, click Search Flights and you might be redirected to another website depending on your origin airport and your arrival airport. As you can see, we were redirected to the website, but all we have to do now is browse through the options available. They will be sorted by price and date over here, so just click on whichever one satisfies your needs. Click See Flights and you will be able to browse through all of them individually. Once you find one that satisfies you, make sure you select and choose the specific services that you need. You will be able to compare them here. And once you click Select, you can finally choose Continue to Passengers at the bottom right corner of the screen. On the second step, you will have to include the contact details for everyone who is flying. So include a title, first name, and last name. And if you are a frequent flyer, include your number over here according to your flight program. After you've saved everything as needed, you will be able to continue to the options and payment information, which I'm not going to show in this video, but you simply have to follow the instructions on screen to finish booking your flight. As long as you include valid contact information and a valid payment method, you will be able to finish booking your flight online on Emirates. I hope I was able to help you on how to book a flight on Emirates. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.